Welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, I'll be talking about how to divide smartly by 5. Of course, when you're dividing a number that ends with 0 or 5 by 5, it can be quite easy. But what if that's not the case? What do you do? And that is the essence of this video today. Imagine if you want to divide 36 by 5. One thing you know is that it's easier to divide by 10 than to divide by 5. So what you can now do in that case is you need to multiply 5 by 2 to make it 10. And to make sure what you are doing is still consistent, also need to multiply 36 by 2. So that means you have 72 divided by 10. So it means that 36 over 5 is the same thing as 72 divided by 10. And the result is simple in that case. You just have that to be 7.2. Easy. Okay. So then we move to the next one. 47 divided by 5. As usual, you have 47 times 2 divided by 5 times 2. So 47 times 2 is 94. 5 times 2 is 10. So that is simply 9.5. And then the next one is 172 divided by 5. So that's 172 times 2 divided by 5 times 2. So 172 times 2 is 344, I believe, divided by 10. So that is 34.4. Easy. Then you have 89 times divided by 5 as 89 times 2 divided by 5 times 2. So 89 times 2, 2 times 9 is 18. Then 2 times 8 is 16. That's 178. Yes, 178 divided by 10. And the answer is 17.8. So 137 divided by 5, what would that give you? Subscribe to this channel so you can get this kind of smart ways of doing maths. Bye.